Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make lemon poppy seed breads with a lemon glaze. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then lightly grease a 9x5 inch loaf pan and set it aside for now. Then in a large bowl, add in the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Then add in the finely grated lemon zest and poppy seeds, and whisk them in until combined, and set it aside for now. Then in a small bowl, add in the melted butter, lemon juice, milk, eggs, and vanilla extract, and whisk them together until they're combined. Add the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix them together until they're just combined. Don't overmix the batter. It's fine if it's not completely smooth. Then pour the batter into the prepared pan, level out the top, and bake it in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Once it's done, remove it from the oven and place it onto a cooling rack and let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes. To make the lemon glaze, in a small bowl, sift in the powdered sugar and add in the lemon zest, lemon juice, and water, and whisk them together until they're combined. After the bread has cooled for 15 minutes, run a butter knife around the edges to loosen it from the pan, and turn it out of the pan and place it onto the cooling rack. Then place a baking pan underneath the cooling rack and pour the glaze all over the bread. Then let it sit for about 30 minutes until the glaze is set. When it's no longer sticky, it's ready and it can be served whenever you like. And that's how to make lemon poppy seed bread with lemon glaze. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many more on my channel, so be sure to check them out and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.